With as much as Apple charges for its internal storage, it's often a good idea to get external storage. I highly recommend getting the Samsung T7 portable SSD, at least in the 1TB size. However, it does go for $128 on Amazon. So instead of buying the Samsung T7, what you could do is make your own external hard drive for quite a bit less.
Before we continue, please consider subscribing to this channel, as it really does help it grow and it's very appreciated. Now back to our program.
So I would recommend the SSK Aluminum M2 NVMe SSD enclosure. This right now on Amazon is $18.99, plus you get a $2 coupon on top of that. Now that is just the enclosure. So what you're going to use for the actual drive itself, or the storage space itself, you're going to want to use the Team Group MP3 1TB NAND NVMe. Now right now on Amazon, again, for the 1TB size, it's only $44. So with your $44 and say your $20 over there, you're looking at a 1TB drive of around $65. This is a read-write speed drive of up to 1,800 for read, 1,500 megabytes for write. So you are getting a very fast external drive. It comes put together like this, and of course it comes with its assorted screws and such, and it does have a piece of thermal tape. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open that up. You're also going to want to get your Team Group drive. Again, I've already purchased this, so I've already put the thermal tape on top of it. The underside is going to be the black side. So you're going to want to flip it over. And all you've got to do, slide this in at an angle where it snaps. Then basically you're going to have to hold this down. And it does, like I said, it does come with some pieces, but it's very easy to put together. You put this piece in right here, hold it down. Then I found it easiest to turn it over. It does come with a screwdriver as well, and it is a magnetic screwdriver. So just put that in there. And then all you have to do is start tightening it up. You want to get it nice and snug, but again, don't over tighten it. And that's all there is to that. So the next thing you do, go ahead, put this back in here, push this down, slide it all the way. Now it's all the way in. Turn this over, and you've got one more screw to put in here. Grab the screw. Put that in there just like that. Tighten it up, and now you've got your external 1TB drive. Oh, but how are you going to connect it? So this particular enclosure comes with these two cables. You've got a USB-A to USB-C and the USB-C to USB-C. So I've got a 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro Max, so I like to use the speedier connection. And of course it goes to a hub. And that's all there is to that. I'll put some links to the products below, and I do ask that if you found some value in this, please leave a like, leave a comment as well, hit the bell so you can get notifications of future videos, and please consider subscribing to this channel. It really does help a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day.